Hello, in front of me I've got BOWERS and WILKINS PX5. In this video I'll show you how to manage controls. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of your headphones. Right here we've got the volume plus and volume minus button. Here we've got the multifunctional button. Here we've got the power switch with pairing mode switch. And on the left side we've got the noise cancelling button. Press the noise cancelling button to enable or disable noise cancelling. Press multifunctional button once to play or pause. Press the multifunctional button twice in quick session to play next track. Play the multifunctional button 3 times in quick succession to play previous track. Press the multifunctional button once to answer or end the calls. Press the multifunctional button once to answer an incoming call while you are in a call. To decline incoming call, press and hold the multifunctional button for 2 seconds. To switch between 2 calls, with 2 calls active, press the multifunctional button twice. To merge 2 calls, with 2 calls active, hold the multifunctional button for 1 second. To toggle mute, while on call, press the multifunctional button 3 times. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.